एथेनॉल की वजह से देखो गाड़ियों में कैसा कैसा प्रॉब्लम आ रहा।
एवरेज तो कम हो ही रही है गाड़ी की, गाड़ी मिसिंग मानने लग जाती है।
सरकार जब सुनती नहीं तो किस चीज की अपील करे।
There was never any shortage of warnings. Mechanics raised concerns. Vehicle owners complained. Yet the rollout continued, leaving people with no real choice. Now comes the shocking twist. Just days after assuring the country that E20 petrol is completely safe, the Modi government made a U-turn and told the Supreme Court that E20 is still an experiment, effectively admitting it is still being evaluated. An experiment after millions of ordinary Indians were left with no choice but to use E20, after people spent their hard-earned money repairing damaged engines. Now it is being called an experiment.
स्टार्ट होना बंद हो गई, क्यों? क्योंकि जो कार्बोरेटर के अंदर जो नीडल है ना वो फूल गई है।
But a few questions remain unavoidable. If the long-term effects are still being assessed, why has E20 already become the default fuel at petrol pumps across the country? Why did the government turn the common man's vehicle into a nationwide trial? And now, since this experiment has already damaged people's vehicles, will the government pay for the repairs?
इथेनॉल पेट्रोल गाड़ी के लिए सही नहीं है, उससे बहुत सारी दिक्कतें आ रही हैं। सबसे पहली दिक्कत आ रही है कि फ्यूल एफिशिएंसी की, गाड़ी की एवरेज बहुत कम है।
Last, if this policy truly needed further evaluation, why wasn't it first tested on a limited government fleet at the government's own expense? The reality is, this was never about experiments, ethanol blending, efficiency, or the environment. It has always been about protecting one man's interest.